Guys, we are here at this beautiful corner unit in Copala, and guess what? My model called in sick, probably hungover, the Mexican style. So my friend happened to give me a call, happened to be here, and got here just to help me.
Hi guys.
This is Jennifer. You come here a lot, like 4 times a year maybe?
Between 2 and 4 times a year.
But you usually stay at Sunset,
I
correct?
do, yep.
And you paid quite a bit for that, I would imagine.
I did.
Did you know that there was residential communities here?
At the time, I did not.
How much appreciation have you made in the last, since you've bought it?
Absolutely nothing.
So here in Cabo, in our residential communities here, we have about 15% compounded. So that means if you bought 5 years ago for $500,000, property's worth right about $1 million. That's pretty good appreciation. This unit here, corner unit, and really very peaceful unit. If you look behind me, of course, you have the Pacific Ocean. One thing that a lot of people don't know is the Pacific is 12 degrees cooler than the Sea of Cortez. And I don't notice that typically in the winter months, but in the summertime, when it's 90 here, it's 102 over there, that's when you can tell the big difference. When it's like, oh, this is livable all year round. I live here all year. Some people, you know, they go home because it's hot. What are your thoughts, dear?
Perfect. I love it. I love the sun. It's a great place to come and stay as long as you want, and always a good time.
We're gonna check out this beautiful condo. Thank you for joining us. Come on, guys. This condo, one of the things that they did that I say everyone should do, and I say it raises the value by about $100,000, they painted the walls white. So the standard color here is the beige, this really ugly sand color. Done correctly, it can look beautiful, but I really prefer the white walls, which they did. And they also did the black pillars, which looks quite nice as well. And then another little secret, I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video. You could have Thanksgiving on this, Christmas, you can fit. How many people?
Probably 4 on each side, 2 on each end?
No. 6, 6, 2, 2, 14. Easy. I think so.
Okay.
Do you think that's the only thing special about this?
I feel like there's something.
You think it gets bigger even? So maybe we could fit 20 people for Christmas. Here we have this beautiful primary. I love, again, of course, we have the white, nice accent wall here, beautiful furniture. This is 100% turnkey, so that means everything you see is included in the price. And the price on this, guys, we're gonna sell this super fast. We're gonna sell it within 1 week. That's how low price is. Oh, who is this? What are you doing?
Just chilling, living the Q life.
What is Q life?
Q life is living this lifestyle with a restaurant, the pools, the golf course around, and always the ocean view, which is gonna be non-blockable, like forever. So that's something that you gotta look for in Cabo.
That's exactly what Q Life is not. So Q Life is Q Life is a program that Quivira has, basically where we have different events throughout the month. They have like wine and cheese night, have another day where that's for your pets. They have a turtle release day, all doing things together. They have Spanish classes, they have different fitness classes, and it's all on the calendar and all in the group. Well, good to see you. Salute, brother.
Salute.
Salute to your Q Life and salute to the Q Life of Quivira.
The good part of it.
You're super excited about this table, right?
I am dying to know what is so special about this table.
Well, yeah, guys, wait till the end.
Like
Wait till the
everyone
end.
else.
There's no free lunch around here. Nobody gets nothing for free. Obviously, we've got the full wraparound granite here, which is quite nice. We have GE profile throughout. Gas, which of course is lovely. We've got the dishwasher right here. Oh no, sorry, not you. I meant this.
Ooh.
Old school joke, come on. And then if we open up here, we can Vanna White this together. Look inside here, look at this. So they added all the extra shelving here, which is beautiful. This looks brand new. And they have the extra large gas here as well. Our electricity bills here, very, very, very low. And the HOA here also, one of the lowest for a luxury community, $400 a month for this, which includes the beach club. So the beach club is just for owners, not for Airbnb. That way you've always got a place to go. You can get a seat easily. Okay, I'm here with Indiana Jonah. And she's going to explain some things here.
All right, so we have bedroom number 2. It has a terrace right off of the end of it.
It's a princess balcony.
There is a bathroom with a giant walk-in shower. We have his and her sink, access through the dining room.
Oh, hey buddy, didn't see you there. What's up, brother? How are you?
Good on yourself?
One of the things I wanted to show you guys, it's a little dark, but we have the second golf course coming in. This is a PGA Tour course. This is also a Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. course. This is a very big thing for Quivira. Why is that? That's because we're gonna be able to host PGA Tour competitions here. So all the big golfers are gonna be coming here, which means money, 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 which means house prices going up. That along with St. Regis coming here, that's big. Jennifer Aniston literally just bought over there, 13.5. I sold her the house. We dated for like 6 weeks. She got a little clingy, had to let her go. I need my time. I like the accent wall here. I love accent walls myself.
I love it. I love it. Kind of ties everything together and brings the beachy feel to the room.
That's true. After you, dear.
Thank you.
Cool. Okay, now this is the number 3, which honestly, I really like the colors here. I really like the accent wall. If we come back here, you're gonna have a beautiful golf course view, which is very rare because a lot of the units here, you're looking right into a wall or something like that. So very, very, very cool. Okay guys, like I had mentioned before, this is turnkey. Obviously there's gonna be personal items and some things like that that are gonna be kept, but turn the key, come here, live in paradise, enjoy the good life, Cabo San Lucas, land of the free. But we have one more thing for you. You ready? This is for the break.
Ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. We do 1, 2, 3 and then go, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Should we put a bet on it then?
I would go that far.
Come on, just a small bet.
All right.
$100.
Okay.
$100, the easiest $100 I ever made.
Listen, don't be stealing money from her.
What'd you get?
I got nothing.
Oh, you didn't make any balls. Okay, sure.
Yes.
Okay, I got it. So then it's my turn.
I left it for
Oh,
you.
okay.
I wanted to see yours.
Un regalo para mí, gracias. Oh, I double hit it, double kissed it too. Damn it. Shoot the 15. Oh, well done, well done, well done. See, not good with those ball in hand. I wasn't trying to set you up. Nice shot. Nice. Oof. She might have been hustling me. Nice. Ay, no mames. No mames. Oh, very bad, BK. Pop it a little bit. Well, it was fun. It was fun while it lasted. Oh no.
Oh, he left it open.
Were you recording that? Yeah. Damn it. My family helps me.
They're gonna help me too.
No, trust me, they help me. Thank you. It's never not worked.
Got it, man.
It's hot in here. Is it hot for you? My
Hey,
goodness.
it was a fair game.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all your help.
Yes. Thanks for having
What do
me.
you think of this property?
It's beautiful. It has great
Yes.
views. I love that every room has built-ins, bathrooms.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
Yes, you need to get rid of your timeshare and maybe purchase this.
I for sure do.
Guys, this price, you guys are not gonna believe the price on this. $824, $808, that's the actual price. And if you guys wanna view this, you guys can just click the QR code. WhatsApp is best. BK Cabo Instagram, BK Cabo YouTube, www.cabo1.com. And I will see you guys on the next video.